Welcome back to Testing the Internet series. You're watching Part 3, Challenging DOM. In the last video, you learned how to automate the process of ensuring that the images load correctly on the web page. In this video, you will learn how to automate the process of challenging DOM case on the Internet app. Something that challenges your automation and keeps your test dynamic, all because of a complex, ever-changing page structure. Have you ever tried to automate a login form but your test couldn't find the input field? What about pop-ups that disappear too fast, or buttons that only show after scrolling? And here's a common one. Pulling data from a table. Do you locate it by the cell's value or by its row and column number to find the exact position? Like grabbing an order total or a user's status? This happens because web pages often have dynamic or deeply nested HTML where elements lack stable IDs or consistent classes. As a result, locating the same element can require different strategies, like using CSS classes, element position, or even just raw DOM structure. That's where Leapwork can help you. You'll learn how to handle tricky DOMs by choosing smart, hassle-free element strategies. We will take an example to demonstrate you. The scenario will be simple. We will select an element from this page with the help of Find Web Element block, and with the help of Strategy Editor, we will see the different methods of locating that same element. Let's get started by building a quick automation flow. Start the recorder, and let's launch the challenging DOM test page. Click Start. Once the page loads, we'll capture one of the table elements. Let's capture this element. Select Find Web Element block. That's it. We'll save and close the recorder. Let's look at the strategy used to locate the element. As you can see, Leapwork suggests multiple strategies here. The first one picks the TD using its text. If you select another strategy, it simply looks for a TD inside the T-body. The next one finds a TD in the T-body that contains the text captured. In this case, it looks for 39th TD in the structure. And finally, we have the last strategy that uses the exact path in the DOM, starting from the row and then the cell. In this case, it's the fourth cell in the sixth row of the T-body. So depending on how complex your page is, you can pick the strategy that works best. Click Save, and Leapwork will use that strategy when running your test. No matter how complex your web layout is, Leapwork makes it easy to find the right strategy in just a few steps. Now, let's quickly recap the steps we took to explore different ways to find the same element using various strategies. We started the recorder and launched the challenging DOM test page. Then, we captured a table element. After that, we opened the strategy editor to view the different strategies suggested by Leapwork. We explored each one by text inside the TD, by its position in the T-body, by combining structure and content, and finally by exact location using the row, TR, and cell, TD path. And simply, by saving the strategy, you tell Leapwork how to locate the element using that strategy. What you learned today. With this, you've learned how to choose from different strategies to locate the same element in the complex page structure. Leapwork makes it simple and powerful to handle even the most challenging structures with just a few clicks. Give this exercise a try yourself and see how much faster your automation can be. Moreover, to keep learning or if you ever feel stuck, explore our documentation, knowledge base, and reach out to support if needed. The answers are just a click away. Thank you for staying with us and see you in the next automation journey.